Hey guys, Nick here, and today I will show you guys a technique on how to make the motion photo like this on your Android device. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Okay, so guys, you need to go to Google Play Store and download Traffic. And it has a free version and a pro version, but pro version remove all limitations, and I have bought the full version because it doesn't seems quite expensive. So after you download it, just open it and you will be greeted by this interface, and I will show you guys how to make these steps. Okay, first of all, you need to choose a photo from here, new memory. Yeah. Okay, so yep, I choose the photo, and right now I will teach you guys how to do it. Okay, so first of all, you have noticed some bubbles in the bottom section, and the motion is the main thing you want to know and you want to keep in mind. And what you need to do is draw an arrow, just like drag it to the place where you want to be the motion, and make sure not to draw until the area you want to make it stabilize. So yeah, if you guys can see, and I press the play button above, and you will bend the whole image. So what we need to do right now is go to here and select the mask, yeah, and draw the area where you want to be stabilized. So I will draw like this, because I want to make myself and my friends become stabilized. So yeah, let's do this like this and draw almost the whole area. And what you want to do now is use the stabilize button and try to stabilize it point from point. Yeah, because you can stabilize your photo in the landscape version as well, so you need to use this. And now I will play the video. As you guys can see, I have successfully made out like this, made the photo, and you can also adjust the speed of the motions, but I don't recommend do it too fast because it seems like too fake. So yeah, and also the sequence just used to simulate the motion from here to here, but I don't recommend do this on the grass because it seems abnormal. So yeah. Okay, so guys, if you want more tutorial, just go scroll here and get the tutorial text, and it will show you definitely all the tutorials. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like it, be sure to give me a like, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe, and also go follow my Twitter page. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next tech tutorial video.